Backyard update. So I went and got some more fence supplies, a few more posts, a few more 2x4s. The bricks that we're pulling up from here, I'm gonna use the back edging of the fence wall. Then I'm gonna use all of these to fill in this area, and then the edging that came from the fire beds in the front and in the backyard are gonna go along this line. So even though the fence is kind of on a standstill right now, I'm gonna work on other things that need to be done. So yeah, that's the update.